Hello y'all, this is WusuMD and we are going to demonstrate our post-operative, immediate post-operative shoulder exercises. There are 3 exercises that we're going to do. Each one of these exercises is going to have 10 repetitions that I want you to do, and there's going to be 2 different sides or 2 different directions that you're going to do the exercises. I would like you to do these exercises up to 10 times a day. So at the very minimum, it's going to be 5 times a day, but if you can get to 10 times a day, that's going to be great. And when you first start, I would like you to do the shoulder shrugs in front of a mirror. That way, I can make sure that you're actually shrugging both shoulders instead of just one shoulder, and your operative shoulder is not getting any work. Okay, so here are the 3 exercises. We'll start with shoulder shrugs. You can take your sling off for these exercises. You'll swing it round and round, just like this. So forward and back, forward, up, and back. It's going to be a rotational thing. Again, I don't want you thinking that you're doing both sides, but only really one side is working, your opposite side is not. And then we're going to reverse it. You're going to go in the opposite direction. You're going to do 10 times on the side. And then the next thing we're going to do is called a pendulum swing. So depending on which side you're on, that we had surgery or have an injury, you just let your arm dangle, and then you do small circles around like this, and you'll do 10 in one direction, and then small circles, 10 in another direction. There's another way to do the pendulum swings. I'm going to switch the arm just so it demonstrates better. You can rest over on a stool, and then just 10 circles in this direction, and then 10 circles in the other direction. And then the most important exercise that we're going to do is called a table slide. So you just need a table. This can be done standing or sitting. We're going to put our arm on the table. So if your arm is still dead from the block, or you're not really able to lift it yourself, this is a perfect exercise to put your arm on the table. I want you to lock in your elbow. So I don't want you doing the exercise like this with the elbow bending. Lock in our elbow, and we're going to let our arm slide across the table. But instead of reaching, we're not doing table reaches, we're doing a slide. And the slide happens by lowering your chest. So the chest will go down, and then the arm goes out. The goal is to be able to kiss the table, like that, get our ear close to our shoulder, and our chest low. When you first start out, it may look like this, and that is completely okay. I want you to do this exercise consistently and frequently throughout the day, so that little by little, hopefully by the end of the first week, you can get to the point where you can kiss the table. So that is the goal. 5 to 7 days, you can get down and you can actually kiss the table. What we're mimicking is we're actually mimicking your arm going straight in the air like this, which is our goal for after you've recovered, but we're doing it in a way that's not requiring gravity to hold us down. And so the table is going to support the arm, and that way we can get our full range of motion. And then finally, I'm switching arms again, just for demonstration purposes. We're going to put our arm on the table, and we can go sideways like this. And so we're going to let it slide, and I want to get my ear close to the shoulder. Again, both of these exercises can be done sitting down on a more reasonably heighted table, and also to the side. So once again, each exercise is going to have 10 repetitions, and you'll do in 2 different directions, and you'll do that 5 to 10 times a day. For basically the first 4 to 6 weeks of your rehabilitation, you're going to do great.